Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ARWEAVE AR daily update. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below and you can cancel anytime you like. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You can get there an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You can also get a manual system for that, daily updates for the market, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more benefits. Join the Telegram groups that I have the link in the description down below as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's dive into a non-biased technical analysis and price prediction for AR. The real reason that we were not bearish even in the Bitcoin's mini crash is that we hold the 1-1 GANN fan line. And how to draw the GANN fan? You need to use the GANN box, need to have the GANN box in a price to bar ratio 1, so you get a square from a certain bottom to a certain top. I have explained in the previous videos how to do it, and if you square the chart from a certain bot to a certain top that we have till now, you can see we never reached down the 38, we never went up the 70 actually Tether USD still, okay? So right now we found support level at the 1-1, and that's how you know you are holding a very strong support level there, okay? It was also the 0.75 GANN box support level as well, but the main reason is that we are holding the 1-1 GANN fan tool, okay? So everything is pretty fine for AR, for ARWEAVE, and we do not have to worry about anything right now, okay? So that's why we had this swing high, and now we keep having the 62 as support level. We want to see we will close down. Maybe we close down, we get to the 58, but we will see about that. For the time being, we found resistance at the 1-3 GANN fan line. You can see here, but if I wanted to find some important resistance levels for the GANN fan, I would use this top and the bottom we found back on 7 September, and I would draw a new resistance GANN fan tool, okay, from the top to the bottom. Anyway, we have the 62 Tether USD, the 58 as our major support levels for now, and if I want to delete this, we will see that we have the new Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top right here, and we have the next price target, which is the 74 and the 77 we had before as well, and the 80 of course, okay? Some new support levels right there, as we saw, 58, 62, and of course we have the 55 in case Bitcoins crash a little bit, okay? So let's go to the 4-hour frame. You can see that the 20-day EMA is still above the 50-day EMA. We are now above the 80 on the stochastic RSI. We are not above the 70 for the RSI. What we will need to see here is, of course, to get up above the 70. If we do that, then this will mean that we can even go to the 77, and this will show that the altcoin has the strength needed to go even higher. For now, we have 2 out of 3 risk metrics in an overbought situation, but in overall we are still fine. Let's go to the daily frame. 20-day EMA support level, still the 20-day EMA as support level. That's why we do not have to worry. Stochastic RSI in an oversold situation still for the daily frame, so this is pretty good for ARWEAVE AR, and you can see that the RSI tends to have some lower lows and lower highs. Anyway, it is not having a very bearish scenario right here. Otherwise, yeah, we might be having a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence, but in overall we are fine. But actually, yeah, we have a bearish RSI divergence. We had higher lows, higher highs in the price and lower highs in the RSI, but it doesn't mean that we cannot go even higher, okay? So the stochastic RSI in an oversold situation, that's pretty fine. We hold the 20-day EMA. Let's see a little bit the SSL HYBRID. We had a selling opportunity here, not a buying opportunity yet, okay? So according to the SSL HYBRID, we do not hold a buying opportunity yet. We do not have a blue arrow. You can see here we had a buying opportunity back then on 27th August, and we had a selling opportunity on 4th September. Right now we do not hold any buying opportunities, but we should combine all the indicators first and then check the stochastic, the SSL HYBRID. Okay, so for now we are pretty fine. Let's go to AR Bitcoin chart. You can see that we hold the 0.2013. We get that because we divide ARWEAVE's price to Bitcoin's price. That's why we get this price label, and you can see that the next price target is the 0.2016. That means that if you multiply the this price label with the current price as the ARWEAVE will reach this price target, then you will get the ARWEAVE's price in the USDT valuation as well. Okay, so what you need to do is to multiply this number by the current price that Bitcoin will have, let's say BTC. Okay, so you get a number and you can calculate it by that. Okay, so that means right now we are holding some important support levels. It doesn't seem like we are going all the way down from now. Okay, it doesn't seem like we hold any significant major resistance level right there. We had a double top though. You can see that we had a double top on ARWEAVE Bitcoin chart. It doesn't look identical to the USDT chart, because right here we had a little bit of a bullish RSI here, and it was above the 70, almost touched the 70, you can see here. So we have a little bit of a high risk on the 4-hour frame for ARWEAVE against Bitcoin. And let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see the double top and the huge sell pressure that we had, a bearish RSI divergence, but we are hoping to get even higher. And the daily stochastic RSI is still in an oversold situation. So if we just have all of this information and go to the price analysis, what would we get? So you can see that we still hold the 1-1 GANN fan line. This was the best thing to do, not to get down from the 1-1 and find resistance. If we had a similar price action like that, then we would get down and get rejected, and then this would be so bearish for ARWEAVE. The only problem now that we might be having, let's close now again the GANN box and the GANN fan tool, we do not need them, and let's go now to the support levels. The only problem that we might have is if Bitcoin actually has another crash right now. Okay, because you can see that back on 15 May, we had the same action. We were down and a little bit sideways and then down again. So if we go and have a little bit of a crash, then we are a little bit of we will have and lose some support levels for ARWEAVE. But in general, it looks very good, and it looks like it can go to our next price target, the 73, the 77, the 80, and of course the 84 if we can make it there. Okay, so for now, this was pretty good that we have this nice swing high right here. We even touched the 67, and now we are back to the 61. Around there, we are battling to just survive and close above the 62, 61 to 62. For now, Bitcoin is correcting just a little bit on the 4-hour frame. You can see that, and ARWEAVE is correcting against Bitcoin. That's why we are seeing ARWEAVE going a little bit down for now, okay, and not following the Solana's price that it goes upwards instead. Okay, so for ARWEAVE, we are just correcting a little bit, a tiny bit right here, but in overall, it looks like it can go to the 74, 77, 80, and 83 Tether USD. The only problem here is that Bitcoin might have another correction right there, but it doesn't seem so bearish like the correction we had back then on May. It doesn't seem like it because we had some buying pressure here in the candlesticks, and we do not have so much liquidity going on from certain platforms. Okay, so it is very important to know that, yeah, we might be going a little bit further down, and it was absolutely healthy to do that. Smart money dumped the money right there because we had a very high risk on Bitcoin. Okay, and therefore we went down. We might even get further down, but at this point, at the moment, we are holding a little bit of our position. Right here, we have a little bit of a higher low, lower high pattern squeeze point for Bitcoin. We will know soon if we go down and cross down. It is very possible that we do that and go a little bit further down, and this will be the only problem for some altcoins. But I do believe ARWEAVE will hold and go to the next price targets. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. It is in the description down below, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.